What's up, YouTube? It's CJ Rules here, and now we're about to enter the second challenge on the next planet, or the first. No, they're the second planet, I guess. The first one was the Dreadzone Station. Let's go to Catacomb 4. Catacomb 4. Can't believe they just take over planets and remake them into arenas for you to battle on.
It's a beautiful spring day on Catacomb 4, Juanita, as we kick off a brand new season of Dreadzone.
That's right, Dallas, and we're lucky enough to have a bird's eye view of the action.
Even from up here, this season's Dreadzone battle courses look bigger and deadlier than
I hope there's no echo.
It's a wonder contestants keep volunteering, isn't it?
There shouldn't be no echo. I'm sorry if there were echo for the last two videos. That should fix it, though.
Sacred robotic burial ground into a deadly Dreadzone battle course.
Oh, zombie robots. That makes perfect sense.
Oh my, they're really scraping the bottom of the barrel to find these guys, aren't they?
Yeah, they're scraping the bottom of the
I
barrel.
hope you folks at home aren't too squeamish, because the next one looks like a bleeder.
Alright, I've seen that little glitch.
Ratchet's first objective is a gimme, Juanita. All he has to do is make his way to the other side of this
Yeah, it
mountain.
seems simple enough.
The shields on that turret are impenetrable. You will have to use an EMP.
I know Clank. Oh, snap, they did a lot of damage. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Already. A simple task. Make it across the field. Can't even do that right. Alright, this time don't die. Alright, can't get all this time. I want to touch it. EMP ready? Alright, die. Please die. Please die. Don't come back online. Please die. It's much easier with 2 players kill them game.
Will the person driving a mid-green Man Ray 5 please report to security? You're parked in my space.
Parked in your space, man. Oh, I don't know. Unstoppable. Do I have the MVP? Yep. Alright, let's go. Yeah, challenge complete. Simple challenge. Rookie.
As Team Darkstar continues toward the Catacomb Burial Dome, they'll need to cross what I like to call the chasm of
Yeah, I'm
endless
a rookie
falling
right
and
now.
eventual dying. In the unlikely
Especially
event
since
that
I
they
keep
survive,
dying.
they'll take control of the big, bad, and burly walking armored tank called the Landstalker.
Oh,
Good
the
luck, kids.
Landstalker.
Ratchet, you will have to
Hold
capture
up,
all
Mike.
3.
I got enough for my thing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the max out. Ooh. I want this. Even though I rarely
No,
use
to
it,
extend the
but
bridge.
it comes in handy when you do get around to using it. Alright, let's go. Oh, okay, I can Alright. Let's turn our bolts.
Hey, Ratchet, why work up a sweat turning crank when you can order your bots
Oh,
to
you can
do it
order
for
your
you?
bots to turn the crank too? That's pretty cool. Oh god. Oh god. No, zombies! Oh snap.
You know,
Oh
sometimes I think I
jeez.
could've
Oh, I
taken
knew
it
I was gonna
all
die.
on Nation. They've
Why
got
not die? Yeah. Dying is fun. Why not? I love dying. Thanks, zombies. Oh god. You guys need to stay dead, however. Oh geez. Actually, I thought this was the rocket launcher. This gun sucks. What am I talking? How you order them to do that? Oh, like that.
You should check out the shield link feature. Just press the right directional button to have one bot create a shield around the other one.
Ratchet, you can
Wow.
expand your map at any time to get a better view
These
of
bots
the
are
area.
more useful than I thought. I was wondering how you would do some of this stuff on solo that you do in co-op.
You know, sometimes
Guess
I
they
think I
thought
could
of
have taken
that.
a job on Annihilation Nation. They've got a great dental plan.
Oh god. Help, help, help. Don't die. Oh god, let me just get out of here. Oh jeez, I gotta go around. I remember this much. I'm not gonna kill all those guys. I'll take care of them. I'll keep out the shotgun.
Ratchet, according to Red Zone show requirements, enemies appear red on the radar. Allies appear green.
You follow me all the way
Challenge
here?
objectives appear blue.
Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, get behind me. Don't hold.
Command your bot to
Oh,
toss
they
out
tossed the
EMP by
EMP.
pressing the left directional
Yeah,
button.
that's cool, man. We'll turn that. Yes. Oh. Leveled up mega cannon.
Fox has designed his weapons to gain experience as you use them, which allows them to be upgraded.
Ooh.
Upgraded weapons not
Oh
only do
snap,
more
why am I...
damage,
Oh
but
snap.
can be modified.
Oh, thank you. Oh, survived that dude. I don't know what happened, but okay. Come over here, guy. Yeah. What we doing? Oh yeah, we gotta go to the land walker or whatever it is, land stalker. Stalk some people. Oh shit.
Ratchet, you can expand your map at any time to get a better view of the area.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna die again. Nope, nope. No, I refuse. I refuse to die. I refuse. I refuse. No, you can't make me. Oh, I don't know how that leveled up, but okay.
Here
Oh
is some
snap.
good news. Each time your weapon upgrades,
Oh,
it
geez.
unlocks
Oh,
a new
geez.
alpha modification.
No! Are you kidding me?
Ratchet,
No, no. Oh wait, you start off where you left off. Cool, I just messed up my ammo.
Come on, I need to blow something up.
Need to blow something up? I got something. Oh my god. I hate you guys. Y'all just an old guy. Bitch somewhere. You can go die for it. Zombie robots have acid in them. True story. That's fact, man. Everyone knows
You know,
zombie
sometimes I
robots
think I
have
could have taken that
acid in
job
them.
on Annihilation Nation.
Yeah.
They've got a great dental plan.
Well, there we go. Challenge
What do
complete.
you know, folks? Ratchet has
Simple as
found the
that.
Landstalker.
Simple as task. Can't even do that right.
This all-terrain mech of destruction comes fully loaded with power steering, AC, jumbo-sized
Yeah, it
tree
is the
motors, and enough
Landstalker.
plasma mortars to take out a
Alright,
small star
torso leg,
system.
jump,
Team
side
Darkstar's
step,
not
fire
out for a
gun,
Sunday
charge
drive
missile,
today, folks. They'll be blazing
fire
a trail
mortar.
right into the center of the
Okay, seems
Catacomb
simple
Burial
enough.
Dome.
Ratchet, you will have to use the Landstalker's mortars
Yeah,
to
let's
destroy
do it.
those quasar orbs. That should clear the way.
This seems simple enough. Alright, let's go. Where you going? Where you going, bro? What? Get a little bit of dirt, man. Oh, snap.
You know, sometimes I think I could have taken that job on Annihilation Nation. They've got a great dental plan.
I would have took that
Team
job.
Darkstar
Great
is
dental
breaking
plan.
this place
I
apart.
need that right now. Better not wear braces.
Ratchet, you will have to use the Landstalker's mortars
Oh man, I hate these missions with the land stalkers, by the way.
Ratchet is on a rampage with the
I just
land
hate 'em.
stalker. Oh, I can't imagine the damage
It's just so hard not to take damage with them. I mean, you have these side steps like that now, where enemies are everywhere like they are now. Kind of doesn't help me. But I can hurry up. Get over here. Oh snap! Alright. Yeah. Alright. Made it. Simple enough. That's the easiest Landstalker stage that's gonna be in this game. I'll let you know that right now. Oh, defeat the zombies with acid in
We
them.
are loving this carnage, folks. But it's time for the final showdown in the Catacrom Burial
Zombie
Dome.
robots.
There's no telling what lurks inside these walls.
Seems legit. Alright, let's go.
Ratchet, you must defeat all your opponents
Oh
in order
snap.
to
Oh snap. Oh!
In other
Dang.
words,
3 hits and I'm dead, huh?
They're coming up from the ground.
This thing's running fast, too. Alright. Is that it? Oh, jeez. Let me get to that health right quick. The next. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, more. Oh, these are for rounds, not mounts. Oh, God. These rounds, dude.
You know, sometimes I think I could have taken that job on Annihilation Nation. They've got a great dental plan.
Boom. 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 Oh, please don't touch me. Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, okay. Holy warrior. Yeah. I'm the holy warrior. Oh! Robot. Thought I was supposed to be fighting zombies. Not people with guns. Oh. I hate myself. I hate myself. No. Why do I suck? Why? Someone leave in the comments why I suck. Go ahead, you guys deserve it. If you don't want to subscribe, just talk bad about me, please. Maybe that'll help you play better.
You know, sometimes I think I should have taken that job on Annihilation Nation.
Maybe.
They've got a great
Or
dental
make me
plan.
feel bad. One or two, maybe both. Most likely both. Anyways, I'm not gonna die this time, I can assure you that. I am 91% sure. Yes, 91. Wait, not this. Now that these guys are here, I'm now back to 89%. Yeah. 89% seems to not right. Oh, he said that zombie looks like your mom. Mother. And I'm sorry if I say like things like motto. It's my cousin that be saying stuff like that. Some Bahamian words he says all the time. And I like to take myself in and get most of the time.
excellent work, Ratchet.
Ooh,
I must admit,
hacker
I was
raid.
worried.
Alright.
Well done, Ratchet.
Since-
You have
yeah,
completed
since
your
we
first
finished the
Dread Zone
campaign,
and
I'm
won a
gonna-
medal. You have also unlocked a new set of
we
objectives
unlocked
called
the,
Dread Challenges.
Dread Challenges.
Earning medals and defeating Dread Challenges
Yeah,
are the
I'll
key
let.
to survival
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Dread
These are the
Zone.
dread challenges, like bonus missions you can do inside that level to help you get points to move on to the next stage. Since I need some
You
more
must
dread
earn
points,
dread
I'll do
points
some more
in order to
challenges
unlock
in
new
the next
planets.
video. So thank you guys for watching, and sorry I suck, and I'll see you next time.